front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard icon at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and to use it, tap on the top left corner to go back to standard keyboard. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. If you want to pin it, use pen icon, click on your text and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on the pen again, select your text, use bin icon next to the pin one and wait. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!